Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and we're standing in front of the door because there's something outside. And look at that. Mr. FedEx man just dropped off a package, and it looks like Shark has sent us another vacuum, or the replacement vacuum. So that actually didn't take too long. I think it took less than a week and we got a new vacuum. So let's drag that thing in here and open it and see what's inside. Dun dun dun. So this is kind of exciting because we're gonna have a new Apex vacuum finally back, because my wife is not enjoying using the other vacuum. Okay, so it's in a different box than the original one was. Okay, so that's interesting. So it was packed pretty good, and here's the box. So I'm guessing it's in the box, or this is the box. I don't know. Let's keep opening it and see. Ah, it's in the box. Wow, that's cool. Okay, so let's get it out of this box now. Whew. Alright, it's upside down. Yeah, so it looks like exactly the same thing that we had. So it appears to be brand new. Definitely not refurbished or anything funny like that. Alright guys, so are you ready for another unboxing of the Shark Apex? Yeah, maybe we'll go over real quick. So let's get to it and see. Alright, so the experience is great. The box feels great. You know, you got customer service right here just in case you need it. You know where to call. Alright, so you're greeted with documentations and manuals. The bag. Alright, and the head is the first thing that pops up. And it's packed really good, guys. As usual. So we'll set it over here for now. Accessories. This is awesome. Let's see. Alright. Nice. The hose. Here's the motorized pencil. Oh, this thing is awesome. So we're actually going to have two of these now, because when we sent the old one back, they told us to keep all the accessories. So we got two motorized heads, so that's good. Got the hose here. There's the hard hose. And the main contraption. Out of all the Shark vacuums, this is the most nicest one, for sure. I love the tinted plastic on here. That looks great. Looks like you need to take this off. If you want the best Shark vacuum, this is the one to get, guys. The Apex. Alright guys, so I'm gonna put it all together right quick, and then we'll look at it. Well, before we do all that, let's take a look at this head right quick. Let's see. You know, I don't even remember if the letters like that were on the other one. Probably were, I just didn't notice it. So they pack these heads really good. It's a pleasing vacuum, even to the eye. Let's see. The wheels. This is the problem that we've been having with these vacuums, with these wheels. Look at that felt, guys. So you can get closer here. Look at that felt. It's so fuzzy. But man, does that stuff wear out quick. And then eventually they break completely off and chip away. That's the problems we've been having with this vacuum. This is the sad part. Other than that, the vacuum's been excellent. So for now, we can just be happy that we have a brand new vacuum with a brand new head. Alright guys, so I got it all pulled together. So I made a huge mess in here. But the vacuum is assembled and ready to roll. All the filters are fresh and new. Check out this guy in here. Oh yeah, that's nice. And everything looks the same in there. So let's power it on and see what it sounds like. Make sure it works and everything works. Okay. Sounds good. Guess we can go to low carpet here. Let's pop this off, make sure the light comes on. And there it does. We love that light, by the way. That light's awesome. So now the main thing, let's see if the motorized head works. So I'm going to tilt it. And there it goes. And you can tell, guys, how quiet that is. Off. On. It's not very loud. one of the best things that we love about this thing is because it's so quiet. So as you can see, just running it for a few seconds there, we already have dirt inside the bucket. So, well, the good thing is that because this is tinted, it doesn't look as bad. So that's one of the features I really love about this Apex, is that they tinted this whole bucket dark, so it still looks good when it's dirty. Like, anyway, such a nice vacuum. Still recommend this thing like crazy. Anyways, guys, so that'll be it for this video. This little quick update that we got the vacuum and we're happy. So it'll probably be a few months before I do an update, see how this thing is doing. So everything is good, and thanks to Shark for hooking us up with the new vacuum. Honestly, we didn't know we were going to get a brand new one. I thought they were going to send us something refurbished or whatever. But they sent us a brand new vacuum, even though we just wanted another head. But because we've had trouble more than once, they went ahead and just gave us a new vacuum. So Shark has been awesome to deal with, and their customer service has been great, and they've never gave us a hard time about anything, and we've been truthful about what we do with our vacuums and how we use them. Anyways, guys, so that's it for now. Check out the other Shark vacuum videos we have, including this one and the other models. Subscribe to see more stuff like this, and hit that like button if you like this video, and we'll see you on the next one. Peace.